Good morning, children. Today we are going to do exercise in the workbook. Don't be afraid of the dark. First, we will read the extract, which is the given below. Read the extracts given below and answer the following questions. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. Those stars will be shining forever and ever. Now we'll read the question. What does the poet tell us? What does the poet tell us? The first line only it is, poet tell us, don't be afraid of the dark. So what is your answer? Poet tells us, don't be afraid of dark. Don't be afraid. Right. Second question. When can the earth rest? When can the earth rest? So the earth rests when the day is done. When the day is done means what? When everybody is gone to their home, everybody is relaxing, taking rest, there is no noise on the road. So it means that when the day is done, the earth take rest. The moonlight can never be, what is over here? The moonlight can never be harsh, right? The next is the word in the extract which means the same as relax is. The word in the extract which means the same as relax is. So we have to select from here. Little, rest, harsh, earth. So what is the correct over here? The correct answer is harsh. Correct answer is rest. What is the correct answer is rest. You have to take the word from the extract which means relax. So relax का मतलब क्या होता है? Rest. So we'll put a tick on rest. Next, antonym of harsh in the extract is. What is the antonym of harsh in the extract is? Sharp, gentle, rough, uneven. So what is the correct answer? Gentle. What is the correct answer? Gentle. Now we'll read the next paragraph. Be friends with the night, there is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day it does seem that our troubles won't cease, but at night, late at night, the world is at peace. The world is at peace. So this extract is there. Now we'll read the question. Why should we be friends with the night? Over here the poet is saying कि हमें नाइट के साथ दोस्ती क्यों करनी चाहिए, हमें फ्रेंड्स क्यों बनाना चाहिए. सो आंसर, वी शुड बी फ्रेंड्स विद द नाइट बिकॉज देयर इज नथिंग टू फियर एट नाइट. देयर इज़ नथिंग टू फियर एट नाइट. आपको डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हमें फ्रेंड्स बनाना चाहिए विथ नाइट. द आंसर इज इन द क्वेश्चन ओनली. सी, इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम वी शुड बी फ्रेंड्स विद द नाइट. Then from because the answer start, because there is nothing to be fear at night. Now we'll go to the next page. Where should our thoughts travel? हम जो सोचते हैं वो कहाँ पे जाना चाहिए? Where it should travel. So our thought should travel far and near. Our thought should travel far and near. Our thought should travel far and near. What happens in the day? दिन में क्या होता है? In the day it seems our troubles will not cease, means end नहीं आएगा. In the day it seems our trouble will not cease. Which word cannot be substitute for fear? Which word cannot be substituted for fear? So worry, courage, scare, horror. So what is the correct answer? Horror. Fear का क्या है? It will be horror. Antonym of peace in the extract is rest, war, happiness, worry. So happiness is the correct answer. Now state whether the following statements are true or false. The poet tells little children not to be afraid of the dark. So that is true. The earth requires no rest. So that is false. The sun is very harsh. So it is what? It is true. The sun is very harsh. It is true. Then the stars shine forever and ever. That is also true. Stars shines? No. Yes. If we befriend the night, we have nothing to worry. That is also true. If we become friends with the night, then we don't have to worry at all and get afraid also. Trouble seems to remain during the daytime. Yes, true. The world is never at peace. The world is never at peace. So that is false. Okay, now we'll go to short type answers. What does the poem Don't Be Afraid of the Dark teach us? Don't be afraid of the dark teach us. हमें क्या सिखाता है? The poem teaches us to be friend of night. Poem हमें क्या सिखाता है? दोस्त बनाना रात के समय. The poet teaches us to be friend at night. What happens when the day comes to an end? जब दिन खत्म होने आता है तो क्या होता है? When the day comes to an end, the moon and the stars shines in the night. It is the time of the moon and the stars to shine in the night time. How can we not fear the night? If we make friends tonight, then we cannot fear the night. What happens late at night? Late at night, the world is at peace. Late at night, the world is at peace. Next, match the following words with column A to the meanings in column B. First, we'll read column A words. Afraid, dark, rest, harsh, forever, trouble, cease. Column B, take a break, unpleasantly rough, problems, feeling fear, come or bring to an end with little or no light, and for always. Okay, so now we will do this exercise. Afraid is what? We'll do feeling fear. So we'll go to feeling fear. Afraid is feeling fear. See here it is written 1 number. Now dark, 2 number where it is with little or no light. So this is 2 number. Rest means आराम करना. So take a break. So 3 number. Forever means unpleasantly. Harsh is what? Unpleasantly rough. Harsh is unpleasantly rough. Forever is what? For always. 6 troubles, problems. Cease, come or bring to an end. So this is your matching part. Now fill in the blanks with the suitable adjectives. We should not be afraid of the dark. What you have to write over here? Dark. The sun is harsh. By the day everything seems troubled. In the night the world is peaceful. Next, rearrange the letters into meaningful words from the poem. So these words are not arranged properly. We have to arrange it and make a correct word of it. So first is what? TAERH. What it becomes? Earth. Then TGOMINOLH. So what it becomes? Moonlight. Next, NISRFED. So friend. Next, VRATEL. Travel. 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 ROLWD. So the word becomes world. 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 NSU, sun. RTASS, stars. HIGNT, night. UROLTBES, trouble. AECPE, so that is peace. Now we'll go to the rhyming words of the following. 1. Done. Fear, dear, near, ever, cease, peace. Write the antonyms of the following words from the poem. Afraid, unafraid. Dark, bright. Little, big. Rest, move. Day, night. Done, incomplete. So dear children, you have to do this exercise in your English workbook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.